Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a detailed guide for drafting an apron dress. Hi everyone, welcome to TOPTS Tailoring Studio. In today's video, we are diving into a more detailed step-by-step for drafting and constructing that simple apron dress. Here, we will incorporate all the necessary elements for clarity and accuracy. Don't forget, the following are the materials needed for our project. You need fabric, probably cotton or linen. Don't forget to consider the fabric weight for durability. You will also need the matching threads for sewing. You also need the sewing notions, that's the pins, fabric scissors, ruler, fabric chalk or marker, bias tape for creating finished edges of your apron, but this is optional, interfacing for pocket stability. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a bonus for you. The initial measurements for the apron shape are full length, your round chest measurement, your hip measurements, apex to apex, some call it nipple to nipple measurements. Now, we are done with the intro of our project, of which that is apron project. Let us dive into the step one. Step one, let us create the pattern. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us start drafting the pattern. Begin by drawing a vertical line that will be the center front guide stroke grain line. Note, if you are drafting directly on fabric, let your fabric be on fold, and the fold line will be the guideline for your center front. Now, at the fold line, mark point A. Then measure downwards your desired apron full length. As for me in this tutorial, my apron full length is 34 inches. So my 34 inches point, I label this point B. Now, connect point A to B with a straight line that will be the center front guideline stroke grain line. At the top edge, start with a horizontal line for the top edge, which will be the shoulder line or the baseline. Then at bottom edge, at point B, draw a horizontal line, which is the hemline or apron full length. Now let us go ahead and determine other horizontal lines that are needed for this project. At point A, measure and mark downwards from point A to C your shoulder to waistline height. As for me, my shoulder to waist is 17 inches. Also, measure and mark downwards from point A to D your shoulder to hip line height. As for me in this tutorial, my shoulders to hip line height is 23 inches. Next is to determine the apron neckline height. From point A, measure and mark downwards from point A to A1 your apron neckline height. As for me, my apron neckline height is 6 inches. Now, go ahead and label these lines. Here is the shoulder line. This one is our apron neckline depth. This one is our waistline. This one is our apron hip line. Then this is our apron hemline. Now, we are done with the labeling of these horizontal lines. Up next is to determine the panel width. A suggested width allows a comfortable fit across the shoulders, bust line, waistline, and hip line. Remember, depending on the style preference, the bottom width can slightly be wider. Now, step 1. Let us create the pattern. From point A, measure and mark inwards your round chest measurements. Divide by 12 plus 0.5 inches, giving you point E as the apron neckline width. Then, at point A1, measure and mark inwards apex to apex. Divide by 2. My apex to apex is 8 inches. When I divide by 2, giving me 4 to get point A2. From point C, measure and mark inwards round chest measurement. Divide by 4 to get point C1 for apron waistline width. Then, from point D, measure and mark inwards your round hip measurements. Divide by 4 to get point D as apron hip line with this base. After, square D1 downwards to get point B1 apron hemline with this. Ladies and gentlemen, for a better fit, draw a slight curvy line connecting points A2, C1, D1, tapering downwards to meet B1 at the hemline. Here, you have created a silhouette of the apron side seams that conforms to the body. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, step 3. Carving the hem. This is optional, but as for this tutorial, I'm going to carve my apron hemline. From point B1, measure and mark upwards 3 inches to get point B2 for apron carving point.
In the dell, the farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
Now, from point B, measure and mark inwards 4 inches to get point B3.
The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Now, connect point B2 to B3 with a curved line to create apron curved hem.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
You can go ahead and adjust for a rounded shape if desired. Next is to create the shape of the strap. Connect point E to A1 to create the straps.
The child takes the nurse.
You can measure your strap width is 1 1/4 inches, and this depends on the design preference you are doing.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow takes the dog.
Next is adding the pockets. We begin by adding a kangaroo pocket. Kangaroo pocket approximates to 4 to 6 inches wide on fold by 10 to 12 inches deep. That's the height.
Cow Takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
The chest pocket approximates to 2.5 inches to 3 inches wide on fold by 5 to 6 inches deep. That's the height.
Takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our apron drafting. Thanks for joining us today. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hitting the icon bell for more sewing tips and tutorials. Don't forget to share your apron creations with us in the comment section down below or tag us on TOPTS social media platforms. Happy sewing. Bye bye. God bless you all. Shalom.
Cat takes the mouse. Hi